Yes guys, what is happening and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are part 2 on the induction kit. We bought some extra parts that we needed. We do believe this is going to massively transform the sound of the car, so without further ado, let's get to the video. Right then, so if you watched on the first one, I'm going to like link it so it'll be like up there somewhere and you can click on it if you want to watch the first part, how to install this. But this is the induction kit we got for the Focus. So it goes down here, pro hose, standard, like adapter for the MAF, and then obviously we've got the foam filter. We didn't get the desired sound that we was hoping for. There's no like real suction sound, so what we've done is we've blanked off the blow off, what is it, reset valve, isn't it? Reset. Yeah, so we've blanked off the reset valve, so we've just added a new piece of pipe, blanked that one off, and then blanked the other one off. So we're not supposed to do that, but what we have got is, so that's like so the air goes from there, up there, over this little like elbow, down there like that, into this, and then it goes in like that, and then there is another one, which is this one, which has got like a baffle in it. That one's got a baffle in it as well. So what we are doing is we have bought this one. This one's like an M-Tech replacement, so it's solid, so there's no baffles.
MTC?
Yeah, M-Tech, MTC, I think, yeah. So that basically just replaces that one there, as you can see. To be fair though, it look nicer as well, isn't it? Nice bit of chrome there. And then we've got this one, which goes, it's going to go like that, isn't it? So basically just replaces this bit, and then we'll get some more choo-choo noises. So without further ado, let's go. Alright, so what you're going to do, there's a 10mm there, there's a 10mm there holding out the way, so crack both of them off.
Showed me dead BMWs.
Right then, so what we've got to do is just undone that Jubilee. That one's off, so that's plonk around, so. Looks like a tight fit, mate. Things in the way everywhere, isn't it? Well, cat D. Right then, so we've added this new turbo elbow. What kind of brake did it say you get for just that?
Just that?
Yeah.
What, added or in total? With the stage 16 map?
In total, I think we'll go for.
So I think I said 700 brake.
700? I can't believe this little, looks like a little lawnmower fucking turbo.
That's what it is, isn't it?
Yes.
Modern engines.
700 brake, ladies and gentlemen, off 3 cylinders. It's going to be nuts. I do hope for the viewers out there that are listening to that, and hope you realise we're joking. It's not actually 700 brake. What brake is it really? 900.
Nah, it's going to be 1200 with this other pipe.
Oh yeah, with that other, with this other silicon, it's going to be about 7 to 1200. Don't need to dyno it, does it? It'll just
that's just what it's going to make.
Yeah, don't need that. But yeah, what? 100 brake, 150 brake, something like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's show you how to take the next bit off and let's get to it. Right then, so the next bit.
Got 10mm there?
Yep. Mate, Fords are so easy to work on, you know.
Pick up all the girls in it, then with car parts, that's why, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a Vauxhall, man.
More Fiestas in there nowadays.
Is that?
Yeah, the pop and bang mops.
Here we go, this one now, isn't it? Was that Cupra?
Huh?
There we go, and there's the restrictor. Right then, and that's the new part, so let's whack it in. Oh, look at that. Oh, love. I hope it's got a glove. That's what it's like trying to put my willy in my boxers, you know. You can't even do it now. You're just thinking about my willy going into the boxers.
I can see it, that's the problem. Go on the camera, you ain't got no pants on.
Nah, I've got nothing on. I'm literally naked filming this. What should we put in the top one on first, because the bottom one doesn't seem to line up that well, so at least if we get one off nice and tight, we'll be able to manipulate this hose and get that one stuck in. Right then, so we're all in. We should have no baffles, no silencers or nothing. This should be pure suction. If this ain't sucking, I'm going to be upset. Right then, are we ready for suction? I'm banking on this now. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed, and we should have some nice noises. So if anyone wants to do this, there's obviously 2-part videos and it is easy peasy. Like, you haven't even got to be like mechanically knowledged. You can literally just get a 10mm. What'd you do? Just 10 mils?
10 and 7 or 8.
10, 7, 8, and literally took about 10-15 minutes to do. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Let's go. Ready, here we go. Ready. So we're getting like no suction. Like, I don't even know how that's possible. All these other Fiestas and Ecoboost and whatever seem to be like, you can hear it building boost by like sucking, whereas this, you can hear a tiny little whistle, but there's nothing major. Right guys, so it's actually been a couple of days since that video, and I didn't end it. I literally was driving home, it was getting dark, and as you can see from the footage, it was getting so like grainy. I think I spoke to Aaron that we modded his car, and I don't think we was overly pleased with it. Obviously we got the first pipe and then the induction kit, and it sounded okay. Obviously there was no like on my car or anyone else's car with an induction kit, you get, and then as you let off, it like, you get like that kind of noise. Sounds weird doing that, but we didn't get it. We really didn't get it at all. We wanted the suction, and then so it did make a bit of difference. Obviously having them 2 pipes that we bought extra for this video, but overall it was pretty, I wasn't expecting it to be like that. I was expecting more noise. It definitely sounds a bit louder when you let off boost and stuff, but in all, I don't think it was worth it, to be honest. I think if I was going to do it again, if it was my own car and probably had like a Fiesta or Steel or something, yes, I probably would just go the whole hog and just replace any factory pipe that's potentially going to restrict stuff. But yeah, that's where we're at. Something different, guys. I'm in a bit of a picky situation now. What happens next with them again? Because obviously I can't really do many modding videos because there's not much left. And I'm getting to a point where I'm like, the channel's just I don't know. So I'm just trying to think about what we can do next, guys, because I want to get back nitty gritty, get working on cars, get modifying cars, and start a new venture and grow that car to be something that I dream of. But yeah, so just trying to work out what we're doing. That's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed the video, man. I really appreciate you guys watching so much. Honestly, it is absolutely amazing. Let me know what you thought of this video. It wasn't really
it wasn't really set out that well. I know I beat myself up, I hold my hands up, and I do beat myself up a lot, but I really want to create good footage for you guys, and I think that was a bit of a run and gun one. We went out for a bike ride, and then we got back, it was like, yes, to the video. So as you can see, it was losing light and stuff, but yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helped people if you've got a Fiesta or a Focus Ecoboost. Hopefully you watched this video and you thought, oh, check out my other stuff, by the way. Astra VXR, Magan, and I'm slowly getting into reviews. Just got the Hero 9 GoPro, so we are doing reviews. So if you want to get on the channel, no talking, just literally drop me a message. I'll have your phone number and we'll get it booked in. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.